Have you been getting your oats recently? Well, you can now, because Swedish plant-based food manufacturer OATLY, which makes milk substitutes, is now listing itself today via a $10 billion IPO on NASDAQ in New York. So now its stock is available to global investors. $10 billion, a lot of money. And really it's a relatively recently established company, but you can see it in supermarkets all over the United Kingdom, which is one of its biggest markets. It's also available in its home market of Sweden, and now its foray into the United States has been pretty popular, and through a partnership with Starbucks, they're about to start a manufacturing facility in Singapore for the Asian market. So they're really going global. Now it's a NASDAQ IPO, and that means that the shares will likely go to auction first today. So they're very unlikely to be tradable on day one. But certainly $10 billion for some vegan milk. It's a lot of money. And that's partly because there's a huge drive towards sustainable products at the moment. Now, the Swedish company that founded OATLY, that initially started the company out, believes that methane gases emitted by cows are bad for the environment. So that's one of the sustainable matters it talks about. So when you bear in mind that movement and that way forward, you look at the banks, the stock exchanges, they're all offering ESG, basically green products. So maybe that's why there's a lot of investor confidence in it, why such a relatively analog product is valued at such a high premium. We'll soon find out when the auction finishes and the stock becomes available on the regular market. So maybe that's something that can be milked.